Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Grok in your Tesla. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Grok is an AI assistant C that can answer questions, provide information, and help with conversations while you're in your vehicle. Before getting started, make sure your Tesla supports Grok. You can use Grok in your Tesla Model S, Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model X, Tesla Model Y, or Tesla Cybertruck. Your vehicle needs an AMD processor and Tesla software version 2025.26 or later. You'll also need either premium connectivity or a stable Wi-Fi connection. To open Grok, use your vehicle touchscreen and tap the app launcher, then select Grok. You can also press and hold the voice button on your steering wheel to launch it quickly. Once Grok opens, you can ask questions, request recommendations, or even ask for creative content like stories or ideas. Keep in mind that Grok does not control vehicle functions. It cannot adjust climate settings, control driving features, or manage navigation. It's mainly designed for conversations, information, and entertainment. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Grok in your Tesla. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!